Welcome. In this video, we will be talking about how to get the best storage system using the iDrive. If you are fond of losing your files, videos or picture, make sure you watch this video. The majority of people are aware of the fundamental uses of cloud storage. It is used by the majority of us to store files and access them from anywhere with web access, but not many people know how to use them best. Since 2007, the cloud backup software iDrive has been available. It has a lot of features, like cloud synchronization, file sharing, and a backup process. Additionally, the service effectively shields the data from both malicious snooping and accidental loss. It is a great cloud backup for personal and business use, and for the price, it offers a lot of storage. You can back up an unlimited number of PCs, Macs, and mobile devices with any iDrive account, which sets it apart from the competition. You can get the most out of this storage solution, whether you want to keep photos of your family or documents from your job in them. Below are some ways you can get the best out of iDrive. Sign up to iDrive. You need to sign up or create an account in order to get the most out of it. You can choose between a free plan with 5 GB of storage and a business plan with 50 TB of storage on the sign-up page. The majority of iDrive subscriptions require annual or biannual payments. When you sign up, you get a bigger discount the more money you put down up front. Your first sign up for a subscription, you can save up to 50% on many of them. Simply click Create My Account to enter your personal information and payment information, as well as a master password. Use syncing to access data across multiple devices. Using iDrive, you can sync files across multiple devices, which is the most convenient way to share with anyone you want. It currently offers a system for sharing and syncing files online in real time. This syncing system lets you access your most important data from any device, and link any computer you want to keep files in sync. You are able to add files to the folder in order to sync them in real time using its unique folder arrangement. Files can also be synced through the web browser and mobile app. Uploading files is as simple as using the drag and drop or download button features. You can sync data between devices without having to buy more storage space. File sharing and teamwork are simple, and great features of this online backup service that you can take advantage of. Simply create a sync folder that you can position wherever you want to sync specific files. If necessary, you can then include it in your regular backup. Alternatively, you can enable selective sync, which enables you to sync particular files to specific devices at predetermined times. Optimize its security and data protection. With encryption networks and private keys, you get strong security and data protection. You can get the most from the world-class facilities and data centers that are currently hosted on the iDrive application, ensuring that your data is also physically protected. iDrive also uses continuous data protection features, which automatically recognize file changes and start the backup process in real time, and conducts periodic third-party reviews of its network infrastructure to check for service vulnerabilities and breaches. Moving forward, let's talk about how to make use of its mobile app. iDrive provides a comprehensive mobile app that is extremely convenient for anyone looking for cross-platform backup procedures, despite the fact that it is not always required. The iDrive mobile app lets you sync files on the go, organize a timeline with dates and locations, and back up your mobile data. It is available for iOS and Android. You can also view and access any synchronized files from your PC or Mac, and you can share and restore files with other people. Despite its simplicity, the mobile app has everything you need for cloud backup on the go. In addition, the color scheme is distinct from the desktop version, consisting primarily of blue and white hues. In addition, the app has a timeline section where you can view a chronological timeline of your previous activities, complete with thumbnails for images and videos. You can restore up to 30 versions of previously backed up files using the Access and Restore section. It can be used to restore contacts, videos, photos, music, calendar files, call logs, and other data. Before we proceed, kindly click on the subscribe button below. Do not forget to like, comment and share this video. Welcome back, and if you're still here with us, thank you for staying tuned. Let's talk about spending less money. iDrive is one of the cheapest backup services available today, starting at $59.62 per year and frequently offering discounts of 50%. In addition, iDrive appears to have some strong system features, such as the option to host an unlimited number of devices on a single cloud account, at this affordable price. Additionally, it provides the option to create a distinct folder for each device when backing up data from multiple computers to prevent data from overlapping. You can also get access to an unlimited number of files, restore your data, and remotely manage computers using any web browser. Utilize its password management. Because all your accounts require a different set of credentials, it can be difficult to remember the passwords for each one. iDrive does not have a problem with this. You can use your Google credentials to access your iDrive account if you have too many passwords to remember. You can also use your Apple ID, but you won't be able to use all of your account features, like iDrive photos and online backups. To sign in with your Google credentials, your iDrive account must use the same email address, and you must remember your Apple ID to use this option. If you have trouble remembering the passwords for all of your accounts, this is a great option. Keep your memories safe in the cloud. You won't even have to do anything to sync your phone's photos to your computer because iDrive has a mobile app that does it for you. Keep the app open on the supercharged backup screen once you have granted access to all of your photos and signed into the app. It makes it possible for the app to transfer all of your mobile device's videos and photos to the cloud. iDrive Photos makes an effort to upload your videos and photos whenever the app is used, making them available for subsequent backups. Keep your cloud data encrypted. If you want to avoid losing your files or even sensitive data like your credit card information, it goes without saying that staying safe online is of the utmost importance. Fortunately, iDrive puts a lot of effort into protecting your data. On storage and transfer, it employs the industry standard 256-bit AES encryption. The encryption key, which is only accessible to you if you set the private encryption key, is used to encrypt the data that is stored in its world-class data centers. In conclusion, utilizing every feature of iDrive is the best way to get the most out of it. If you are willing to pay a premium service, you will want to get your money's worth, so it's important to know how to optimize the system to its full potential. iDrive has extraordinary highlights. In terms of functionality, it meets all requirements. It is a great cloud backup option for both personal and business use. Not only does it compete with backup services, but it also includes some features that help it compete with the best cloud storage solutions, like Dropbox. We have come to the end of this video and I hope this information will be of great value to you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like, comment and share this video with family and friends.